TNHH series sawing machine. C-type. When the foot switch or double hand switch is pressed, the machine will perform material clamping, cutting, and spraying lubricating oil automatically. The built-in saw blade raises up to cut material and also allows cutting with single or several materials simultaneously and safely. Enable 90 degrees and 45 degrees cutting performance. Quick cutting and accuracy cutting without burr. Installation 24-inch saw blade. Horizontal clamping. In-feed and out-feed are optional. CE standard includes protective cover and power-off switch. D-type has more features than C-type with a clamping system. Independent cylinder with linear guideway for up and down material pressing. This design allows for independent adjustment of clamping pressure to prevent the distortion of materials caused by overloading, independent adjustment of cutting speed, and clamping speed. The clamping system could compact and stable press the material. Oil spray adopts enforced precision oil mist system. CE standard includes protective cover and power-off switch.